All right, we covered 50% of our instrument already. That's awesome. So now let's move on. Let's find the notes on the D string. Well, to find the notes on the D string, we're gonna have as a support the E string. So this is what I mean. When I put my finger 1, for example here on the third, we already know that this is G. If I put my finger, my ring finger on the D string, but 2 frets up, that also will be the note G. You can totally hear how it is the same note. Of course, it's a different octave, meaning I play like starting on G, I play all the notes, I hit the other G, so that's an octave. It's when we have the same note, but in a higher register, a higher frequency. So I have G and G, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, E, and E. So again, starting on fret 1, F, G, G. You see that I'm dragging my finger along, right? I'm always following that interval between the frets and the string. So I put finger 1 on F, and then I put my finger 3 on D string and 2 frets up. Cool, very, very simple to find, right? That's why it's so important to memorize the E string.